I had not heard of it. And I said, you know what? I have to get my hands on this 370 to see what this is all about. How do you create a 370? I don't understand. It's pretty now. This unit is gorgeous, but I don't know what a 370 is. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about Chinalace 370 unit. You heard me correct. 370, not 360, 370. They're taking it up a notch. When I researched it, I wanted to see if there was a definition of 370. I couldn't really find anything that didn't have Chinalace attached to it. So what it is, because I know y'all are wondering, y'all saw it in the title, you're like, what in the world is that? It is a unit that is pretty much a 360, but the parting space has been extended. I don't understand why it's called a 370, but that's what they coined it as. So that's what we're gonna go with. So it's a 370. I don't get it. You just get so much more parting space with this particular unit. So whereas with standard units, you get maybe 3 to 4 inches of parting space, with the 360, theirs has 6 inches. So all of this is parting space. It does come with 2 combs on the side, pretty standard, comb at the bottom, and you have lace around the entire circumference, which pretty much makes it a 360, but they call it a 370. So let's get into the install and see what we can do with this magic of a 370 unit. I feel so weird saying that, but we're gonna do this anyway. So as you can see, this unit does come with baby hair. It does already have a pre-plucked hairline, so I'm not gonna have to pluck this unit at all. It's plucked in the back as well. Not too much, but it has been plucked some in the back. I don't even know if y'all can see that. Let's get in a little bit closer. So it's plucked some in the back. This is their deep wave texture. It looks absolutely gorgeous, and I did get it in 22 inches, so it is long. Ow. The front of the unit has been bleached, maybe about 1 inch or 2 that has been bleached, but the rest of it, it does not appear that the knots have been bleached. So you do have the black dots showing in some of the areas. So we need to do the Sally Hansen method. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna put it on to see what we're working with. I've already cut off the lace and everything. I did my Sally Hansen method. I have my stocking cap on. I'm not gonna do the full stocking cap method, but maybe I should put some foundation or powder. I'm gonna put some powder on my wig cap. I believe I got my unit in a size medium, so we're gonna see if it fits. I hope it does. And that fits well. I am gonna have to adjust the straps in the back though. Okay, that's much better. All right, it's looking a little crazy right now, but we're gonna slay it, don't worry. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Got to Be Glue in the yellow bottle.
Till I let it go. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't gold. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't gold. It's more than glitter. 24. Can y'all consider?
Okay, it's tacky, so now we can move it forward.
You getting mad, then that's your dilemma. I can't even brag, I'm still a beginner. A bucket of crabs is looking for dinner. I do what I have to come in for W's, I am a winner. They gotta crown me. Felt kinda lost till I found me. Mama said keep love around me. I keep my shut up in around me. I'm a proud seed of your greatness. They doubted I could've made it. They doubted I could've made it. Was down and out and escaped it. A diamond, a beautiful diamond that you couldn't find if you dug dug up in Monday. Now must I remind you? Atlanta behind me, who is behind you? I lost a lot, but I'ma find it. Do timing, do grinding. Yeah, I'll be shining, shining, shining. Where do I reside? I'm on the east side. I'm going go for my B-sides. Backbones be that V-sign, can't deny. Why would I stress when it don't matter? Step after step, climbing a ladder. Can't even flex, plenty more baggage. 24 carats, 24 carats. I finally found something for my pedestal. I take everything for granted till I let it go. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't go. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't go. The grass is greener, greener on the other side. Across the street in a heartbeat, but it's hella white. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't.
All right, so the elastic band has had enough time to set the front of the hairline, so we're gonna take it off. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I do need to manipulate it to fix where the hair is laying. Oh, some baby hair. Let me put some of my foundation along the hairline just to make it look a bit more seamless. Let me do that before I lay the baby hair down. It's crazy how good that looks.
On the other side, across the street in a heartbeat, but it's hella white. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't. All that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't, all that glitters ain't.
We are serving Dominican vibes, Caribbean vibes, Puerto Rican is in my blood. We're gonna be confusing people, y'all. This kind of look. Chinalacewig got me together, y'all. And we can put this up. All right, so I'm gonna stop touching the hair. I'm gonna stop looking at it. I love the way it looks. All right, y'all, so that's the end of this video. I hope that you guys love learning more about this 370 business. Chinalace did a very good job with this particular unit. I really like it a lot. I'm gonna leave all the specs and details down in the description box. Be sure to leave your comments and feedback. I look forward to seeing y'all in my next video. I'm gonna have another one up tomorrow. We killing it. Bye, y'all.